If you are right here looking at this screen, it means say you get interest to know more about HBagency. And for this video, I'm going to explain so many things about HBagency make you need to know about. I've also explained and give you small tactics how if you take get approval easily for your own account. So this video they talk about HBagency. So don't forget, my name na Timothy Sunday, and for this channel they give information about blogging helping issues. So any issue me they face about blogging, how to make money, and also traffic, if you get solution for this channel. So if you also check my previous videos when did this channel, and you go love them and you go gain one or two things from them, if you go and share and like my video if you appreciate what I do. So welcome to my channel. So if now the first time you enter my channel, don't forget smash the subscribe button, make you subscribe for my channel. So this video they talk about HBagency, and if they look for my screen now, HBagency official website be this. So now this is our website be, so make I scroll up and down so I can know see that the official websites. So sometimes if you enter their website for the first time, the thing will show you another language. Make I enter whether it will show me like that. Most time it will show you another language, as you can see. Here the sound, it will show you another language. But if you want to change down to English, you go come under this section here for you, as it sound for my screen. This section, you go click on. The thing gets two options. This is Italiano. So now it's Italy language be this Italiano. So if you change down to this particular one, this one will help you to understand say English version I mean. So it's now. So Italian and English, those are the two language me did the official website. So if you switch over at any time. So this particular agency, it just they work like the way Astera they work like the way Astera they work in terms of their impression that they count based on impression. That means say na CPM that they count. That is cost per milli, which means cost per 1,000 impression, just like the way Astera they run. But the ad they display like AdSense. The ad they display like AdSense. Make I show one of my websites. Make I don't put the ad network already. Now the ad be this HBagency. Here the same HBagency. Now the ad be this. And this one of the ad there. So make I reload the page again so that I make you see them. Once the ad pop up, I will show you. So you go know their advert just the way AdSense they show for websites. Now so their own advert to the show. One important thing you need to know say this particular ad network they partner with Google. So you dey 100% safe to make use of their platform, and you no go dey fear say whether they go pay you or not. No, you no need to dey fear all those ones, because they partner with Google, and many people don't already they use them for many years and they no get any issue. So if you see some of their partners as well, maybe they work with some, as they say here, they say our premium partners, so they get trusted companies when they work with them. They get the likes of Yahoo, they get the likes of Adaglo and others. So they are very trusted. So you no need to fear say whether if you work with them, whether they go pay you your money at the end of everything. So see some of the ways if they make money for this particular ad network. They get referral program. They say bring new publishers and benefit from strong referral program. So if you also make money as a referrer, to they refer people to their platform. So this particular method I never use them myself. The one make I only focus on their ad network. Now focus on, because I get blog and this now my blog. fanplay.com.ng on my blog, and I put the ad network inside of my own website. So my website, they focus majorly on tennis, and then I dey scrap content about movies as well. So na so it's just dey share itself. Though the ad never show, but na the section make the ad go show, na be this. You don't see that sign HBagency. So na so it dey. As it means, though I dey use 3 different ad network for this particular blog. As you can see, this particular one me dey see na Astera, and this one me dey see na MGD, and the third one na the HBagency. So na 3 different kind of ad network now I dey use for my own website, and I dey talk majorly 75% of my content na tennis news. So that is it. So I don't dey divert, dey go another position, but wetin we dey talk about majorly for this particular video na HBagency. So this HBagency, make I log into my personal account. So I mean, know say I don dey run am for some days. I start using it, that was late last month, around on the 26th or 27th of last month, which is July. Now I start to use this particular ad network, and at least I don't make small money inside of my account, as you can see. So for the few days of last month, make I work, I make 5.4 euro. Now I make inside of it. So if you see the screen, I make yesterday, that is 0.8 euro. So they count based on impression. So make I carry you go, okay. See this thing here. That is as by yesterday. That is on the 16th of this month of August. So I got 2k impression, and it earns me 0.86. So now wetin earn me be that. So now can you go my report, so that we could just look how they count them. So as I tell you before, they count based on CPM. They count based on CPM. That is cost per 1,000 impression. Now what CPM means. So if you want to know what CPM means, it means cost per 1,000 impression. Cost per milli. Cost per 1,000 impression. So if you get 1,000 impression to your ad, now the amount when they go pay you be that. So for my own now 0.56 time be the impression. So that means if I get 1,000 impression, I will make 0.56. So if I get 2,000 impression, I will make 1.02 euro. So now it's just me. So these ad network are very reliable. They very, very reliable. So you no need to fear if they go pay or not. You just need to do the needful, which is send traffic to your blog. Once the moment you start to send traffic to your blog, you start to make money, because as you know, traffic is equals to money when you are talking about blogging. So anything related to blogging, say traffic is equals to money. The more traffic you bring to your site, the more earnings they make. And the audience of your traffic also very important to many of all these ad network. So you need to know the position of your ad. You need to know the position, the country, all those things are very, very important, because you go know what you need to focus on. So now waiting this ad network majorly they all about. So if you at any time start to monetize your own blog with this particular ad network, you no need to fear. So now it's just there inside there with that. So see their own time for payments in case you want to know about their payment days. So now the 10th of every month, now they send Their own, they even pay direct to your bank account. They pay directly to your bank account, so you no need to fear, say, I no get all those like maybe PayPal or Payoneer or other method of receiving payments online. This one, they are paying it directly to your bank account. So you just need to arrange your bank account for your local commercial bank where they stay, for your locality, for where you dey. So if you create your own account, then when they send you invoice on the 10th, they will send you the summary of your payments. So once you receive them, you can create an invoice quoting the number of the summary email. So now, so it's just there. So nothing hard for inside. Nothing really they hard. You don't need to fear. That is just the important thing, because many of all these hard network, some need they pay, some they pay. But this particular one they tell you HBagency, they pay. Though I just start using it, but I have people that have been using it and they recommend it. They've shown me their own proof of payments made they don't collect for some months, and they still say they never chop their money or release them. So now it's just there. So this is all what is inside of it. So there's no much thing to do. So based on the approval stuff I was talking about, I won't do the video inside of this. It will be on a separate video on its own. I made some research and I did some things. I won't call it tricks though. I did some things and I was able to make some things work out. As you can see, I got some websites that is not approved, not approved, not approved, not approved, not approved. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there are about 7 websites that is not approved out of 10. So I got 7 not approved websites and 3 approved. But there's a method I was able to hack myself, and I'm going to disclose it in the next video. So in the next video, you are going to get that hack, what I did, how I was able to get some of these websites approved. I'm going to have some of these websites that you are seeing. I have gotten approval on it, but I will show you how I was able to do it in another video. So stay tuned. So if you like this video is just a review of HBagency to know if they are legit or not. So that's just the basics of this video. So you can go ahead and be using it just like the way Astera work, the way MG work, the way Google AdSense work. That is how you can also make use of this HBagency. You can also call it an alternative to what Google AdSense to use to monetize your blog at any given time. The important thing is that get traffic, get constant traffic, make them come your site. You will make money from any ad network. Any legit ad network. So this is one of those legit ad network I can recommend to you. So I am not doing referral for this particular ad network. So you are free to go to the official website. The official website is HBagency.ai. So you register. Don't forget, the moment you enter for the first time, it will show you a e-click. So you need to click this section to make it English, so that you'll be able to understand the write-up. So that is just the major thing. So if you like this video about this review, don't forget to like the video. If you are coming to my channel for the first time, don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you no go miss any of the information when they drop next time. So thank you and thank you again.